Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And we're on day 7 of our fashion jewelry advent calendar.
Yay.
And I believe yesterday you predicted the next box would be a charm. I think so too, yeah. I've slept since then. So why don't you open up 7 and see what it is. See what it is. We're going to see who's right. Oh! Yeah, I'm not sure what that would be.
It's a charm.
You think it's a charm?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's like this. It's like the little butterfly one.
Okay, so you're going to slide it on the chain this way. Oh, what do y'all think? Would that be a charm or a spacer? See, I always think these are the charms. I would say this is a spacer.
Pretty sure, actually, I guess yesterday it would be a spacer. I'm not entirely sure anymore. Memory sucks. Guess whatever the last video said.
I'm pretty sure you said a charm.
I'm pretty sure I was right.
I don't know, what do you guys think? Was that a charm or a spacer? Let us know in the comments. Well, day 7 is done. Tomorrow is day 8. What do you think it's going to be tomorrow?
Charm?
She says a charm. Let's see who's... I'm going to go with spacer. So let's see who's right. Don't forget to come back tomorrow.
On CrazyDavesCrew.
Be sure to like, subscribe, make a comment, and we'll see you next time right here at Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks for watching. See you next time.